Welcome. Today, we're diving into a fascinating field, computational social science. Imagine using computers to analyze historical texts like letters, diaries, and books to map out the social networks of the past. This approach is revolutionizing how we understand history by revealing how people connected and behaved. So, how exactly does this work? The core idea is to treat historical text as a massive dataset. First, these old documents are gathered and digitized, creating large digital collections. Then, computers clean up the raw text. This involves tasks like breaking text into individual words, removing common words like the or and standardizing words to their root form. After this pre-processing, the text is transformed into a quantitative format that computer algorithms can understand and analyze. Finally, various text mining techniques are applied to this structured data to extract meaningful information about historical social connections. Several clever techniques help uncover these networks. For example, named entity recognition, or NER, identifies and categorizes key entities in the texts, such as names of people, organizations, and places. This helps pinpoint the actors within a potential network. Beyond just identifying entities, relationship extraction aims to uncover the connections between them. Analyzing letters, for instance, might reveal communication patterns or influence between historical figures. Another powerful tool is topic modeling. This technique discovers underlying themes or topics within a collection of documents. By seeing what different individuals or groups wrote about, researchers can infer shared interests or intellectual connections, which can serve as proxies for social ties. Sentiment analysis can also be used to determine the emotional tone of texts, shedding light on the nature of relationships, whether they were friendly, hostile, or supportive. Once this information is extracted, researchers can construct network graphs. In these graphs, individuals or groups are the nodes, and the identified relationships or shared interests become the edges connecting them. This allows for a visual and analytical understanding of the structure and dynamics of historical societies. The applications are truly exciting. For example, projects like Mapping the Republic of Letters use text mining to analyze correspondence networks among early modern scholars, revealing how ideas and knowledge flowed across boundaries. Researchers also analyze historical political texts to understand evolving political alignments and the spread of ideologies. By studying vast digital libraries, we can even track linguistic shifts and changing cultural preoccupations over time, a field known as culturomics. This helps reveal hidden communities connected by shared interests, even if their direct relationships aren't explicitly documented. Of course, this approach isn't without its challenges. Historical archives can be incomplete or biased towards certain voices. Historical language itself, with its spelling variations and evolving word meanings, can be difficult for current AI models to interpret accurately. And truly understanding historical texts often requires deep contextual knowledge that computers might lack. Processing these enormous datasets also requires significant computational power. However, the future looks bright. The field is rapidly advancing with the development of more sophisticated AI models better equipped to handle historical language and context. There's also a push to integrate diverse data sources beyond just text. Crucially, closer collaboration between historians, social scientists, and computer scientists will ensure these powerful tools are used thoughtfully. As text mining techniques continue to mature and digital archives expand, our ability to unlock hidden social structures and dynamics from historical texts will only grow, offering unprecedented insights into the fabric of past societies. Thanks for tuning in.